Hey everyone, I'm Fiddlerman, and this is our Sima Traian violin. We first ran into Mr. Trian's violins in 2017, and we knew right away that we wanted to represent him in the US of A. We are very proud to be the exclusive dealer of all Sima Traian's violins, and these beautiful bench-made instruments are all handmade in Romania. Every Triain violin is set up and adjusted at Fiddler Shop, and they all undergo our famous 10-point inspection. And this is what it sounds like. Get yours at fiddlershop.com.